Tired of iOS and struggling to split bills with friends? Let's ditch the awkwardness and jump right into setting up your Cash app on your iPhone so you can send and receive money instantly. First things first, head over to the App Store on your iPhone in the search bar. Type in Cash app. It's usually the first result with a green icon and a white $sign. Tap the Get button to download it. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the Cash app now. Cash app will ask for your phone number or email address to create an account. Choose whichever you prefer and enter it in the designated field. Cash app will send a verification code to your phone number or email address. Depending on what you chose, enter that code on the verification screen. This confirms that you're really you. Time to link your bank account or debit card. This is super important because it allows you to send money from and receive money to your actual bank account. Simply follow the steps to securely connect your info. Enter the necessary information such as routing and account number. Now pick your unique $cashtag. This is how people will find you on Cash app. Make it something memorable and easy for your friends to remember. If it's already taken, Cash app will suggest some alternatives. Enter your first and last name, or if you're not ready yet, you can skip this step. Cash app requires your first and last name for payments and for your account. Congratulations, you're all set. You can now send, receive, and request money with ease using Cash app on your iPhone. Start exploring the app and enjoy the convenience of digital payments.